Introducing the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Presidential Suites with a dining room / conference room where you have your big meetings, and they could sell you the Hall of Fame package in comfort and style. Its respective bar, coffee prep area, sugars for those who are not sweet enough, some equal for those who do not care about their kidneys health. Yes, aspartame. If you do not care about your kidneys, feel free to consume some equal. Got a picture of I don't know who. If you know who this is, identify him in the comment section below. Flat screen TV, temple style seating, one of the rooms, 2 double-sized bed, double, triple, quadruple, quintuple, sextuple, whirlpool, hydrotherapy tub where we work out the kinks and the knots in our backs, limbs, and bodies so we come out with relaxed physiques. Yes. Our royal terrace where we can enjoy stunning views of 151 acres of prime Dominican beachfront here in the heart of Punta Cana, the crown jewel of the Caribbean Sea. If in fact we are on the Caribbean Sea, I'm not sure. No roof, roofless, so you could effectively dry all your bathing suits, or you enjoy the comfort of your own suite.
Yes. Oh no, it's water. My worst, actually no, my ally.
Your kryptonite.
No, it's my ally. Water is my ally. I'm like the son of Poseidon.
Your very own personal PIB.
What does PIB mean?
You're my pib.
What's
Pain in the butt.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, roast that. Get wrecked.
Are you recording? Whoa, this is how your shower and bathroom looks like? No personal space at all. Are you recording?
Ceramic tiled shower, wall to wall.
How come your cameras are there?
With the effective clothesline. I do pull-ups on these clotheslines. That's how strong they are every morning.
No, you don't.
I do muscle-ups on these clotheslines.
No, you don't.
Of course I do.
No, you don't. That's such a lie. Let me do one.
If you feel you're dizzy, you can keep your balance
do you need,
on this bar right here.
Can I do a muscle up?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
If you're that good, you gotta be strong enough nonetheless.
Fine then, watch me. Dude.
Private toilet. Let me see. Oh no, you're not fast enough, brother. You gotta be fast to do that, to work that clothesline. You gotta pick that up. You're getting yeah, stuff dry, wet, man.
Yeah, I'm not touching that.
It's not dirty. Just pick it up. It was just wet.
Oh my gosh.
That's what you doing, man. Relax. Coming over here catching wreck. No, don't touch it anymore. Hold on, I got it.
Why can't you do a pull-up then and I'll record you? You do a pull-up and I'll record you.
I already did mine today, baby.
Do it.
I did mine.
Do it again.
I did mine.
Do it again
Playboy.
and I'll record you. Do it again.
Did mine already.
Exactly, you liar.
As Christopher says, as you see, when he's referring to the term as you can see. Got a private toilet with a door that you can close. So you're not turning this into a fecal gas chamber whenever you poop. We've got the bowl-shaped sinks. We eat cereal out of this stuff in the morning time, whenever we're too lazy to go binge on the breakfast buffet. Continental, baby, continental. Got a coffee maker that also makes tea. Flat screen TV in every room. Our local PIB is gaming.
Oh, are you kidding me? What the hell?
Comes complete with the local PIB.
What the hell is a PIB?
Pain in the butt.
You're a pain in the butt.
The royal master bedroom. With an even bigger terrace. They do enjoy some cover in this balcony. With stunning views of 151 acres of prime Dominican beachfront. Located in the heart of Punta Cana, the crown jewel of the Caribbean Sea. King-size bed with an iPad worthy of a king, where you can transfer your GoPro photos from there to Google Photos. More single, double, triple, quadruple, quintuple, sextuple, whirlwind, hydrotherapeutic jacuzzi tubs, curtains, aesthetically folded towels, which are shaped like I don't know what, adorned with fake rose petals. Yes. Double bathroom, walk-in closet with my man with the new baby inside. Got a baby in the gut, baby in his belly.
Life.
Got twins. sirloin, and mondongo. And of course with the toilet with the door, so it doesn't turn into a fecal gas chamber. And the bathtub with some seating, ceramic tiles. So 2 people can take showers simultaneously. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the presidential suite at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in the Dominican Republic. And the grand finale, the half bathroom. So when everyone else in the room is suffering from traveler's diarrhea, and you have to go because you have to go, you got another place on which to plant your butt cheeks and perform your necessities without having to run and squirm and do all these other kinds of things that you do to fend off the urge to go. Because when you gotta go, you gotta go. Good night. Knock 'em out the box, Rick. Out the box, Rick. Knock 'em out the box, Rick. Out the box, Rick. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please click the like icon. And if you want to watch more videos of our family's quest to be as happy and productive as we can, please subscribe and click the bell notification. Out.